Chapter 2: Files and Folders. Contents in this chapter: Features of Windows 10, Desktop, Start button, This PC icon, File Explorer, Creating a file and folder, Renaming a file or folder, Properties of file/folder, Delete a file or folder, Shortcut. A computer cannot work on its own. It needs a software. The most important one is the operating system. It is the medium through which we can interact with the computer hardware. Windows is an important operating system. Windows 1 was the first version of Windows which was released in 1985. The latest version of Windows is Windows 10, which was released in 2015. Features of Windows 10. The various features of Windows 10 have been given below. Start menu returns. Microsoft has finally brought back the Start menu, which was taken back in Windows 8. When you click on Start menu at the bottom left corner of the window, two panels side by side appears. The left panel showing pinned and the right panel showing recently and most used apps. Cortana on desktop. This is a new feature found in Windows 10. Cortana is a voice-activated personal assistant. We can use it to get weather forecasts, set reminders, tell you jokes, send email, find files, search the internet, and so on. To activate Cortana, by saying "Hey Cortana" or click in the search box located in the taskbar. When the search window comes up, click the Cortana icon on the left side of the window. Xbox app. You can also play Xbox One game on your PC or tablet with Xbox app for Windows 10. The new operating system will support Xbox game streaming with improved speed and graphics performance. Microsoft Edge browser. In Windows 10, Microsoft Edge is the default browser. Using this, we can write and highlight directly on web pages. Cortana, a built feature of Microsoft Edge, with its help, you can do things better. New looks. Windows 10 comes with a new and attractive look with the blue highlighting features. You can see new pictures, graphics, styles, themes, and you can work in a new environment. Windows Store. The Windows Store application provides you with all kinds of paid and free apps, games, music, movies, etc. You can try to use an app before you buy it. Windows 10 opens these apps in multiple small windows on the desktop. Important fact: Windows 10 is the latest version of the Windows operating system. Desktop. When we switch on the computer system, the Windows operating system gets loaded in computer's memory. The first screen that appears after the loading is called a desktop. The desktop contains icons, which are the graphical images or symbols representing files or programs. Start button. This button is the most used button on the Windows desktop. It looks like a small window. When we click on this button, Start menu appears with two panels along with the live tiles. The first panel shows the list of various options which can be used to open a particular application, power button to shut down or restart the system, and frequently used applications. The second panel shows some recently and most commonly used applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Xbox, Microsoft Edge, and so on. You can open any application with just a single click. Important fact: wallpaper is the background picture of desktop, which can be changed by right-clicking on desktop blank area, personalize, background, and select a picture. Important fact: the name of this PC icon was My Computer and File Explorer was Windows Explorer in earlier version of Windows. This PC icon. This PC icon is same as My Computer icon in previous versions of Windows. This PC folder displays the contents of the computer's hard disk, CD, DVD, or any other external storage media such as a pen drive. Using this PC icon, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. You can see each and everything in your computer. When we double click on this icon, this PC window opens as shown on the right. This window is divided into two panes. Left pane displays the list of icons of folders in a hierarchical format. When we click on an arrow preceding a particular icon or folder, the list of sub-icons or subfolders in it appear on the screen. Right pane shows the contents of an icon or folder which you have clicked in left pane. Clicking on the file or folder in right pane displays its further contents. You can also search for a particular file or folder by typing its name in search box, which is available at the top right corner of the window. Important fact: C drive represents hard disk drive and E, F and G are the partitions of hard drives. D is used for DVD and H drive is used for external storage drive like pen drive. File Explorer. File Explorer is the file management application used by Windows operating system to browse folders and files. It provides a graphical interface for the users to navigate and access files. It enables us to access, edit, manage, and organize our files and folders. We can view the files and folders in it, create new folder, copy or move the file or folder, remove it, and so on. Opening File Explorer. To open File Explorer, the steps are as follows. 1. Click on Start button. 2. From the list, select File Explorer option. 3. The File Explorer window opens. 4. It looks same as this PC window. 5. It consists of two panes. 6. Left pane shows the list of icons, files and folders in hierarchical format. 7. Right pane shows the contents of the file or folder you have selected in the left pane. Files. As you know that important papers are kept in a file, likewise any information in a computer is saved in the form of a file. These files are then saved in some drive like hard disk, pen drive or DVD with some name. You can then use the files by the name given to it. A file can be opened by double-clicking on it. When you open it, it opens the corresponding file with information. Creating a file. Given below is a method of creating a file using any application file. Open a blank document in Word 2016. 2. Start typing text on the blank page. 3. After completing your work, you need to save the file. 4. To save a file, go to File, Save As. 5. Click on Browse option. 6. A Save As dialog box opens up on the screen. 7. Select the location where you want to save the file. 8. Type the name for the file in File Name text box. 9. Click on Save button. 10. Close the Word 2016. For this, click on Close button present at the top right corner of the window. Folders. We keep all our files in a file cabinet. In the similar manner, a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. You can double-click on a folder to open it. When you open a folder, you can view the files and subfolders it contains. If you click on any file or subfolder, it further opens its contents. Creating a folder. To create a folder, the steps are as follows. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop screen. 2. A pop-up menu comes on the screen. 3. Hover your mouse pointer on New option. 4. A list of sub-options appears, which is called Cascading Menu. 5. Select the folder option. 6. A new folder will be created and shown on the desktop screen. 7. It has a default name New Folder. 8. You will see that it is highlighted so that you can type the new name for it. 9. Type the new name of the folder and press Enter key from the keyboard. Important fact: you can also create a shortcut of folder by right-clicking on it and select Create Shortcut option. Renaming a file or folder. Rename means to change the existing name of a file or folder. 1. Take the mouse pointer to the file or folder whose name is to be changed. 2. Right-click on it. 3. A pop-up list comes on the screen. 4. Click on Rename option. 5. The file or folder name will get highlighted. 6. Type a new name for the folder and press the Enter key. Properties of a file or folder. To check the properties of any file or folder, the steps are as follows. 1. Right-click on any file or folder. 2. A pop-up list appears on the screen. 3. Select the Properties option from the list. 4. A Properties window comes on the screen. 5. You can check properties by clicking on the respective tab like Type of folder, Date and time of creation, Size of folder, Security and sharing properties, etc. Important fact: you can create a copy of a folder by right-click on it and select the Copy option. Move the pointer at another position and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Delete a file or folder. Take the following steps to remove the file or folder from the desktop. 1. Right-click on the file or folder which is to be deleted. 2. A pop-up list opens. Select the Delete option. 3. The folder will be removed from the desktop and moved to Recycle bin. Shortcut. Shortcut is an icon which provides an easy and quick method to open any application or software that we use frequently. There is a small arrow present at the lower left corner of the shortcut icon. Double-clicking on the shortcut icon opens the file or program that it represents. To create a shortcut, the steps are as follows. 1. Click on Start button. 2. Go to All apps. 3. Select any application or program whose software you want to create. 4. Click and drag it to the desktop. 5. You will see that the shortcut of the program is created. 6. You can open the application directly from this by double-clicking on the shortcut icon. Snapshot. Windows 10 is an attractive and easy-to-use operating system. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. The first screen that opens up after the loading is called a desktop. This PC icon is used to contain drives, by clicking on which you can see the contents in it. File Explorer is used to provide the details of all the files, folders, and drives available in the system. A folder is used to keep all the files and subfolders in it. Rename a file or folder means to change the name of a file or folder. A shortcut is a small picture with a name and small arrow.